Unblur. Okay, let's see where we're at. Okay, it's ready to initialize. And I'll do that later. And I'll do that later too. We are in the Eastern time zone. And the time is wrong. It's currently 8:00. Oh no, time is correct. It's 8:03. Jeez, I didn't realize it was that late. I guess this is taking a long time. Okay. Look, I got anything done tonight besides this. Oh well, this needed to get done, so that's fine. That's what it is. I just remade the Windows, not the Windows, the Linux USB disk. Hopefully that's going to work now. Let's see if this has any drivers. I don't think it's going to have any drivers. It doesn't have any drivers. Okay. Of course you can go on the Lavina website and download the drivers manually like you used to do years ago. Or sometimes you can use one of these. This is a USB to Ethernet adapter. I'm going to plug this into here. Take these other things out and plug this in. And it may cooperate with this and give me a usable network connection. There it goes, installing the software. And this needs to have the driver installed. That's great. Everything failed. No driver found. Perfect. So that's just not going to work. That's ultimately the one we need, the Ethernet driver. Okay, I will have to just go and download the driver. Let's see, what's the best way to do this here? I think what I will do is... I know what, that didn't work. Anyways, I think what I'll do is I'll install the Linux and I'll download the driver through there, and then I can just copy it into the Windows partition. Because I'm sure the Linux will have no problem with the driver. So I'll plug this disk in here. And what is this? Oh, that's the disk I just plugged in. I don't know why that application isn't working. It must not have enough updates or something for it to work. Anyways, whatever. Restart. Unblur. Daggone it, now I missed the thing, all because it was blurry. Tired of this camera not focusing. Now this is another case where it would be nice to have that laptop here in the studio that I could use to just grab the driver from the website, but of course when I tried to set that laptop up there was a freak show with the screen, and the screen was registering non-existent presses, so I had to well, I didn't discard it yet, but that laptop's not useful for the use case here. Okay, now it's ready to go. So in fact what I could do is I don't even have to really install the Linux just yet. I can just grab the driver from here. In fact, you know, well, I guess Linux is a pretty quick install, so it's not a big deal. For this use case, probably don't even need to download, or I mean put Linux into this computer at all, because I don't use this computer for very much. I usually just use it to play music or something on occasion. I could find the serial number of this computer. And the VGA cord just came out. Okay, I got the serial number of the computer. So let's navigate over to the Lavino website. Here we go. And we want to get the, where's the support part? Okay, I'm going to enter the serial number here. The serial number is MJ027EK2. MJ027EK2. Okay, so close. Of course, the warranty is expired. Oh, we do have drivers for Windows 7. I don't know if there's a way to view the configuration. You know, it's possible also that this was purchased without a Windows. That's a possibility as well. Anyways, let's go over to the drivers here. And we need the networking drivers. I don't care about the wireless. That's not, don't do that, don't do that. Broadcam, it's all wireless. I don't care about wireless, I want corded. Yeah, oh, here we go, it's at the top. Download. Okay, save that. Now we're going to go here and I'll navigate into the drive. Just throw it in public. Public downloads. Okay. Close that out. Close. Close. It always fails. I don't know why. I think I'm not going to install Linux on this machine just because I probably would never use it. The number of times I'm going to use this computer is dwindling by the day, and at least in this particular installation anyways, and in the next installation I'll just re-image it. Okay, so now if we go into my folder here, the public documents, or downloads I think it was, here it is. Copy that over there, or move it rather, and we'll install this. Sign our lives away to Lavino. Install. Intel. Sign our lives away to Intel. The camera is almost out of film. I gotta change out the memory card. I've got another memory card here. This one is a Sony, and it's the 64 gigabytes. Okay, it's success. Finish. Finish. So now if we go here, we should have the driver. Why didn't it work? I would have expected it to be able to come up before the restart, but maybe it needs to be restarted. Appears to have the audio driver. I don't understand what happened. There's no... Whoops. There's no, it's not there. Okay. I don't understand why this didn't work. Wi-Fi? No wonder it didn't work. I could have sworn I downloaded the Ethernet one. What the heck? I hate computers. Alright, that's fine. We'll just go back into the Linux and we'll try again. Now, if this was an old computer, we wouldn't be having this problem because the drivers would have just come on a CD and you could just put the CD in and they would install and everything would just work. But no, now we don't have CDs anymore. We have to play games with downloading drivers from the internet. And, well, I guess that kind of was always a thing, but it was stupid. Who puts Wi-Fi in a desktop computer? And of course this is a live CD, so it's not saved, so I think my session from last time, the history, is not going to be there. Yeah, it's not there. Okay, so we'll just have to go and do it again. This keyboard is trash. I keep typing the slashes because the enter key doesn't go over like to where it should. What a piece of junk. Type the serial number in again. Okay. This is tiring. Networking. Oh, you know what? There was 2 categories, wasn't there? Networking, LAN. There we go. Now I'm not sure if this has the Intel or the Realtek. I would think that it would know based off the serial number, but I guess we'll just download them both because I'm not sure. That went awfully fast. It's only 10 megabytes. Oh, sure, why not? Marvel Ethernet driver. Oh, it could be any of these 3. 64. Save that. And I'll grab this one too, just in case it's neither of the other. Guess I could throw it right into my user area. There's no reason to do public because we don't have a permissions issue. Okay, we'll just copy those into there. There they go. Now I forgot about this survey. Okay, let's see, how satisfied? Well, I'm not that satisfied because okay. Next. Download drivers. Were you able to complete? I guess. The worst are easy to use. No, it's hard. I disagree. Nah, they're okay, I guess. Which of the following is important to you in searching for drivers? That would be nice to get all of them in a single download. Doesn't really have what my complaint was though. What is your next step after visiting the support website? Install the drivers. Duh, that's a stupid thing to have to type. Install the drivers I just downloaded. One of the 3. Whichever one it may be. Okay. That takes care of that. Please select the specific, a computer, a desktop. Okay. Submit. Great. Now we'll go back into the Windows, and I'm going to start with the Intel driver because this is an Intel board, so that would make the most sense. But I don't know, it could be either of the three. Okay. And I'm going to uninstall that other thing because it's of no use. Great. It's in there forever. That's irritating. Oh man, it's not even labeled. For heaven's sakes. These drivers are a freak show. Let's start with this one. Ah, I was right, the Intel. If all goes well, we should see a scan for new hardware, and the triangle should go away. And that's exactly what we saw. And here we go, we have network connectivity. So now what we can do is we can download. First I'll just do the Windows updates, and then afterwards I will do the Levano system update to get the rest of the drivers that the Windows update doesn't capture.